Will Tesla really affect national security? Recently, at Hunan Yueyang Airport, China, the news of Tesla being banned from entry has drawn attention. The reason is that Tesla has a Sentry Mode, which monitors and records the surrounding confidential areas. But it is not just Yueyang Airport. Many government agencies, military, and research institutes involved in classified work have causes of prohibiting Tesla entry. Many Tesla owners are not willing to accept this, feeling discriminated against, and some believe it infringes on consumer rights. I have two major doubts regarding this matter with Tesla. First, where does Tesla send the collected data? It is all stored on local servers? Second, if Tesla's data is stored locally, could it still be transmitted overseas through other means? As a foreign-owned car company, in 2021, Tesla claimed to have established multi-data centers in China, stating that the generated data is stored within China under the supervision of national institutions. If that is the case, why are there still many sensitive areas prohibiting Tesla entry? The most crucial point is the silence from relevant authorities. I've seen people online saying this is a case of adding a sign to the guilty. Regarding this, I want to ask, what is adding a sign to the guilty? Back then, did Huawei really compromise US national security? If not, why is Huawei still under US sanctions to this day? Could that also be a case of adding a sign to the guilty? Cars can still be sold, money can still be made, yet people can't stand it when entry is restricted. And they start talking about adding a sign to the guilty. I don't know if everyone remembers the Starlink project, where Musk claimed to establish a space-based internet to provide high-speed internet service for global users. Many believe Musk made a significant contribution to humanity. However, in 2022, Musk's space exploration company announced the initiation of the Starship program, specifically serving US national security agencies and the Pentagon, marking a significant step towards the militarization of Starlink. This will fundamentally enhance US military communication intelligence, space situational awareness, and space defense capabilities. In summary, Starlink has been militarized and has formally become a tool of the US military. Based on this, my third question is, what exactly does Musk intend to contribute to humanity? On July 1st, the country implemented a revised anti-spy law and announced a nationwide anti-spy campaign aimed at raising public awareness against spy activities, encouraging people to report any suspicious behavior, such as tracking and illegal information acquisition. Regarding this matter, the country's approach has always been very discreet, but now it is openly encouraging nationwide participation.